The 2023-2025 Toyota Corolla, including the sedan, hatchback, and Corolla Cross, allows remote starting using the factory key fob. This feature lets you preheat or cool your car. Key fob remote start is hardware-based, so no smartphone is needed. It's designed for safety, with a maximum engine runtime of 10 minutes. Let's look at how key fob remote start works in the Toyota Corolla. The key fob sends a radio frequency signal to communicate with the vehicle. The car's body control module, or BCM, receives the signal and performs security and safety checks. Before starting, the BCM ensures the car is in park, doors are locked, and there's sufficient fuel. The system is factory installed, so no additional devices are required. Ensure your Corolla is parked, locked, and in park. Press and hold the lock button for 3 to 5 seconds. Immediately after releasing, press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds. The car will honk twice and flash its hazard lights, indicating it has started. Repeat the sequence to stop. If you're having trouble with remote start on your Toyota Corolla, common issues include battery problems, timing errors, and unmet vehicle conditions. Let's explore the main troubleshooting steps. First, check the key fob battery. A low battery is the most frequent issue. Replace it with a CR2032 battery if needed. Second, ensure proper timing. Press and hold the lock button for 3 to 5 seconds, then press and hold unlock within 10 seconds. Third, verify vehicle conditions. The car must be in park with parking brake on, all doors closed and locked, fuel tank at least quarter full, and key fob outside the vehicle. Fourth, pay attention to error codes. The vehicle uses flashing hazard lights and honks to indicate issues. For example, rapid flashes might mean low fuel or an open door. Consult your owner's manual for specific codes. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact your Toyota dealer for professional assistance. While the key fob provides basic remote start functionality, the Toyota Remote Connect app offers enhanced control over your vehicle's features. The key fob allows simple engine starting, but the app lets you adjust climate settings like heating or cooling remotely. App usage has increased significantly, with 40% more owners using it regularly, though the key fob remains popular in areas with poor cellular connectivity. Always check your Corolla's specific trim level to ensure compatibility with the Toyota Remote Connect app features. The remote start system includes important safety limitations. The engine runs for a maximum of 10 minutes per activation, then shuts off automatically. This prevents fuel waste and reduces the risk of carbon monoxide buildup, a critical safety feature. Before remote start can work, certain prerequisites must be met. The vehicle must be in park with the parking brake engaged, and all doors must be closed and locked. Additionally, the fuel tank needs sufficient fuel, at least 1/4 full, to prevent engine damage. The system has built-in safeguards that prevent remote start in certain conditions. It won't work if the key fob is inside the vehicle or if the engine is already running. These limitations are designed for safety, helping to avoid potential hazards or unauthorized use. Experts praise the Corolla's remote start for its simplicity and seamless integration with Toyota's safety features. Automotive experts from sources like Car and Driver highlight how it enhances daily convenience without compromising security. Avoid overuse in hybrid models to prevent battery strain. Toyota engineers emphasize that remote start in hybrids should be used sparingly to maintain battery health and efficiency. Remember that remote start consumes fuel while idling. EPA estimates show it uses about 0.8 gallons per hour, so use it thoughtfully to balance convenience with efficiency. Looking ahead, remote start technology in future Toyota Corollas is evolving rapidly. Expect a stronger emphasis on smartphone apps, intelligent automation, and enhanced security to meet changing user needs and technological advancements. The Toyota Remote Connect app is becoming the primary way to control remote start. With app usage rising 40% among Corolla owners, features like climate control adjustments and geofencing alerts provide more convenience than traditional key fobs. Artificial intelligence will enable predictive remote starts, automatically warming or cooling your vehicle based on your daily habits and weather forecasts. Toyota is piloting this in 2025 models, potentially standard by 2027. Remote Start will integrate deeply with smart technology, using sensor data and predictive analytics for real-time alerts and early warnings, such as maintenance issues or security threats. Future electric Corolla variants will likely use app-only remote start controls to optimize battery range, avoiding traditional key fobs that could drain power unnecessarily. Security will advance with encrypted signals and biometric authentication, such as fingerprint-enabled key fobs or app logins, addressing rising vehicle theft concerns. By 2030, most Toyota models may require two-factor authentication.